Næstur á svið keppandi úr framhaldsskólanum á Laugum. Þessi drengur gefst aldrei upp, enda ætlar hann að taka lagið I Won't Give Up með Jason Mraz. Gefum Pétri Ívari gott klapp.
Ég heiti Pétur Ívar Kristinsson og ég í framhaldsskólanum á Laugum. Ég ætlaði að taka lagið I Won't Give Up með Jason Mraz því einföld gítarballada sem ég finnst mjög falleg og kannski að einhverjir tengi við hana. Uppáhaldssöngvarinn minn væri örugglega Andrea Bocelli, óperusöngvarinn. Kemur mörgum á óvart en hann bara frábæri rödd.
Lag númer 8 I Won't Give Up Pétur Ívar.
When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. Well, there's so much they hold, and just like them old stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? So easily, I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our difference is to do a lot. They teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got. Yeah, we got a lot at stake. And in the end, just tell my friend, at least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not.